Guys, forex lovers, you are welcome to another Ames Trading educational series on how you can actually trade in the global financial market. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually install your MT5 and start trading. And you know, as we've been watching, as we've been learning, that we need a broker to do this. So if you've not watched episode 2 on how or why we need a broker to start trading in the global financial market, I strongly recommend you watch it. I'll be leaving the link somewhere around this video. And if you have not registered yet with Light Finance, I will be leaving the link in the description button, the description details below, so that you can register and you'll be on this front page as you are seeing on the screen. So for those who have registered, let's get right it. Now if you see this session here, they call it MetaTrader. As you can see here, MetaTrader, that's what we'll be working on today. So let me click on the MetaTrader. So let's click on the MetaTrader. So once you click on the MetaTrader, you're going to see all the accounts that we've created before, because I've created all these accounts. By default, you will see your MT5. You will see your MT5. So we'll be showing you how you can install your MT5. To do that, you need to open an account. By default, I said before, you already have an MT5. You don't need to open another account again because you already have an MT5. But for those who don't have MT5, they have MT4 or their own is showing MT4, all you need to do is to come to open account. You see the account type, you click it, then let's look for demo MT5 demo ECN, this particular one here. Then all we need to do is to click open demo account, and we successfully created our MT5 demo account, and we can see it here in the video. So let us refresh the page, and yes, that's what we are seeing here. This is it, MT5 demo ECN account. And if you take notes here, you see that they are telling us to turn it into main. That's because MT4 is the main account. So let me click on turn it to main. Yes, now you see that the MT5 is now on our main account. That's what we are seeing here. It's now our main account. So there are some few touches we need to do in this video. First is the trader's password. We need to create a trader's password. For us to do that, all you need to do is to click on the trader's password, as you can see here. So let me set my trader's password. Then let me repeat it here. Then let me repeat it again. And here it goes. I've successfully created my trader's password, as you can see here on the screen. So the next thing for us to do now is to download our terminal. So let's X this, then download terminal. Immediately we download terminal, we'll see that it's downloading somewhere and the download button here. As you can see, is downloading. As you can see here, it's downloading now. So while it's downloading, we need to save this our server number. This our server number is like our username. This our server number is like our username, server login. It's like our username, and this is the password. So take a pen or screenshot it, keep it somewhere safe, and you'll be needing it any moment from now. So let's wait for it to download so that we can show you how you can actually install it and start trading. So we have successfully download our MT5 rather. So let's install it. I click on install. So you can do this whether you are using your smartphone or your laptop or your desktop. You can use any one. So just follow the guide. It said, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You click yes. Then you click on your next. Then we are installing your trading platform. So let's just give it some time while it load, at least 5 minutes or so. It will load. So we have successfully installed our MT5. So it will open this page. All we need to do just to exit. Let's go back to our home page. Let's look for our MT5. So this is our MT5, as you can see it here. This is our MT5. iPhone, so just follow the step if you are using your mobile phone. So first it will open like this. All you need to do is just to exit, 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 exit. Then we leave one. We want to use one of the charts. So the next thing now is for us to sign up our account. We remember our server login, right? This server login, this is the server login that we'll need. And also remember the ACN. We open ACN account, so let's copy it. Let's click on file, click on login, trade accounts. Let's look for MT5. If you take note of this server login, if this server, you see Light Finance MT5 demo. There are two types: Light Finance MT5 Live, Light Finance MT5 demo. So this login is what you will put here, and while the server, your password, you put your password that you created by yourself. So let us click on the OK sign and allow it to load. I'll give it some time.
Incoming mail.
So we have successfully created our MT5 login on our MT5 account. Go to Forex Major, Forex Cross rather, you click, I'll always highlight it so that we turn this good color. You click, you click, you click, you click, you click, you click. Euro USD. Okay, now let's go to Forex Major. Then we click, just do the step all over again so that they will highlight. Then you click on OK. Then we can actually find them here on our market watch. This is the session you find them on our market watch. This session, you see all of them are showing here. So we can actually reduce the size, and we can actually increase it so that we get a good view. This, you can actually reduce it so that we get a good view of our chart. So if you can see now, there's no funds on our balance. If you check, we have the balance is 0 USD, so we cannot trade with this. So first we need to fund this account. So that we can actually trade. But before we fund this account, I want to show you the popular color you probably be seeing online is the red and the green candle. Red and green. So not the green candle we are seeing on our market watch like this. So if you want to change the color, you go to properties, then you come to bar up, which is green, bar down, which is supposed to be our red, then bull candle supposed to be our green, while bear candle supposed to be our red. Then we click on OK. Now we've changed the color. If we want to change this candlestick, we don't want to use candlestick, we want to use bar, you can actually change it to bar. You can also change it to line depending on the one that you want to use. This is the line, this is the candlestick, this is the bar. You know, in the previous video we made mention that there are several instruments that you can trade with on the market, but with just your MT4 and MT5 you only have these three options. Either you use your bar, your candlestick, or your line. This is the zoom in, zoom out. You can zoom in and zoom out. This is your time frame. Use your time frame to check the time frame of the market. This is where you find it. We have our 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. This is a 1 month time frame. Now let's see our 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it works now. This candlestick, you see that in less than 1 minute now this candlestick will form. So we have 28 seconds, 30 seconds, 31 seconds. This is where I'm watching the time in case you want to follow up. This is where I'm watching the time. We have 38 seconds. Then let's watch the candlestick. Now you see that a new candlestick will form immediately. You see that a new candlestick will form immediately. We have 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 1 minute. So another candlestick has formed now. This is how candlestick work with time frame. Now if these seconds reach 60 seconds, which is 1 minute, a new candlestick will also form. Same with the 5 minutes, with the 15 minutes, with the 30 minutes, with the 1 hour. So with this 1 hour now, 12 minutes have gone. With this 1 hour, 12 minutes has gone. So same with the 4 hours, so 30 minutes, 1 day, 1 hour. So let's leave it on the 1 hour candlestick. If you check the 1 hour candlestick now, you get to see that we have 30 minutes away from 1 hour. So this candlestick will form under 1 hour. Under 1 hour. So here you get to see all your currency. If I want to change this currency from AUD USD, all I need to do is to come to the currency I want to trade. Look at the AUD JPY. I right click, I just drag and drop. It will change. The USD card, I drag and drop. NZD USD, I drag and drop. That's how you place your trade. You change your currency pairs on the chart. So let's fund this account, guys, so that we can actually see a demo trade on how you can place your trade.